All right. Lohita has $25 to spend at the bookstore. She will buy one math book for $13 and some bargain paperbacks that are on sale for $1.50 each. So we need to write and solve an inequality to determine how many paperbacks she can buy. Well, what we don't know is how many paperbacks she can buy, so that's what our variable is going to be. We want to say x is equal to the number of paperbacks she buys. All right, so what's her situation? Well, she's going to buy this math book for $13. We're going to put that down. And then what's she going to do? She's going to buy a bunch of paperbacks, and each one is $1.50. So to figure out how much she's going to spend on paperbacks, we're going to multiply however many she buys times $1.50. Well, however many she buys is being represented by x, so we want to write $1.50x. We're going to add that to the $13. Now what's the deal? She's got $25 to spend. So it could come out to be exactly equal to 25, but maybe it won't come out exact. She could decide she's going to spend a little bit less than 25. All we know is that it can't go over 25. So we need to write an inequality symbol here. Her amount that she spends needs to be less than, or it could be equal to $25. All right. So now we've created a very nice inequality to model that situation, and we can solve it to find out how many books she could buy. So we're going to first subtract 13 from each side. We get 1.50x is less than or equal to 12. Now we're going to divide by 1.50. You could write it as 1.5 or 1.50. Either one's okay. And we're going to get x is less than or equal to 8. So she could buy 8 books, and it would come out to be exactly $25, but she could buy fewer books, too. She could buy 7 books or 6 books or 5 books and end up with some money left over, and that's okay. So we're going to write our final answer in a sentence. She can buy, whoops, proper spelling is important. She can buy at most 8 books. That's one way to phrase it. We could also write she can buy 8 or fewer books. There's a few different ways that we can phrase this, but you need to communicate in your phrasing that she could buy 8 books or fewer than 8 books.